Welcome to my channel. My name is London and today we have something new to my channel. As some of y'all know, I have done some subscription box reviews before and unboxing, and I'm excited to announce that today we are going to be going over the October 2021 IPSY GLAM bag and the Plus. So this is super exciting. I am so excited to get into it. It literally just got to my front door and look how cute this bag is. I couldn't wait to open this up and share with you guys. I did get both of these sent to me from IPSY for review purposes, so let's get on into it. I'm gonna go and first start off with the GLAM bag, and I'm just so excited to have this bag. I'm gonna be using this in my purse all freaking month. Go into the mystery box. So first thing I see here is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. I'm super excited about this. I have tried the Dewy Skin Cream before, but all the ones I've tried are from Sephora Perks. So this is the biggest one that I've ever tried. So super excited about that. Going back in here. What are you? Oh, let's see. Gold Baden MD Solutions Doctor Scrub Microdermabrasion Exfoliator. Okay. We love some microdermabrasion. I am gonna do a separate video. I don't know, maybe TikTok, Instagram, either or. You should follow me on both. I do little shorts of videos that I review. I'll do more looks with palettes and stuff, so definitely check me out on my other social media. Link in the description down below. I also post a lot more often on Instagram and TikTok, so yes. Now, what do we have here? You are, oh, I've never heard of this brand. The eye primer. Okay, never heard of that one before. Very picky with my eye primer, so we'll see how that goes. And this is another brand that I have never heard of, Farah, and it looks to be a lip gloss, liquid lipstick, and a shade Cocoa. I kind of want to swatch this. This is a nice fall shade. I've been busting out my matte liquid lipsticks yet again. All of my fall shades, the lipsticks that I'm wearing today, is all in liquid lipsticks. Ooh, yeah, that is so pretty. All right. Okay, I think there's one more thing in here. Let's see. Oh, Vidyart. That's fancy. I only have one other Vidyart palette. This is so exciting. Petite palette, Petite Pro UN. What is the, I guess that's the name of this. Like I said, I've only had one other Vidyart palette, and if you guys know that video didn't go very well. But I will say I'm super excited to use this palette because it is all full of neutrals, and if you guys have been following me recently, I am a neutral gal now. I mean, this is the most makeup that I've worn in 2 months, so. All right, so that is it for the regular GLAM bag, and I'd say I'm most excited for these three: Tatcha, the liquid lipstick, and the eyeshadow palette, mostly because I've never heard of these brands, and I'm really picky with eyeshadow primer, but we shall find out soon in another video where I can try out the eye primer with the Vidyart palette and everything. All right, now let's get into the Plus. There is a lot in here. So I've never heard of this brand, Dermalect. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a beauty sleep serum, an overnight treatment. It has glycolic acid. Y'all know I like me my glycolic acid, salicylic acid, and ascorbic acid. Okay, this one just got on the nice list. I am very excited about you. Ooh, I love Murad. This is the next product. I actually have a current favorite Murad product, which is this one. I still haven't done a dedicated video about it, but I have used the heck out of this. This is a daily clarifying peel, and I'm obsessed with this. So I'm super excited to try out a new Murad product. This is the Renewing Eye Cream, and you can use it AM, PM, hydrate, target signs of aging, firm, minimize the look of lines and wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness. Anything that says dark circles and puffiness, I'm like, yes, yes. All right, let's see. Ooh, we have Tarte. So this looks like this. Oh, this is the Sugar Rush. I haven't tried Sugar Rush from Tarte yet. This is an eyeliner, and it looks to be just in the shade black. It kind of looks like Tarte's eyeliners, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit. Oh, I'm super excited to try this out. Never have too much black eyeliner. This is another brand that I'm not familiar with. It's called This Works. In Transit, No Traces. Rosewater and mint infused pads. Gently remove makeup and daily pollution. So this is like a cleansing towelette makeup remover type of thing, to my understanding. I like how everything is kind of going along with each other here. Ooh, I literally heard someone say this, and I was like, oh, that's how you say that brand. And now I can't remember how it is. I'm not even gonna try. I'm not gonna butcher it, okay? Let's see. This is the High Volume and Intensive Curl Mascara. Oh yeah, we got like a whole eye look going over here. We got eye primer, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara. Ooh, and this is what the wand looks like. All right, we have another serum. Buddha? Another brand I'm not familiar with, so sorry if I butcher any of these names. This is a vitamin C serum. I love me some vitamin C. It seems very liquidy for a serum. 4 to 5 drops on clean skin. I really want to smell it. Have any of you guys ever smelled real vitamin C? It actually smells horrendous, okay? It smells very strange, but like I feel like everyone is used to like the orange juice kind of smell in vitamin C. This one doesn't have the like citrusy smell to it, but it definitely doesn't smell like real vitamin C, you know, like pure vitamin C. That stuff, oh Lord. Okay, last thing in here is like a silk little IPSY cloth. Not really sure what this is for, to be quite honest with you guys. But I mean, like, if anybody knows, just let me know. Cause I saw this and I was like, I kind of want to put this on my pillow because I don't have a silk pillowcase. And I feel like this would be really nice for my hair, but like also I have no clue what this is. So if anybody wants to let me know, it would be greatly appreciated. All right, and that is everything in the regular Glam Bag and the Glam Bag Plus. Let me know what your favorite product was. Let me know if you got anything different. Let me know if you have any information on any of these products that I've never heard of before, or the brands. I would love to have a little extra insight. Again, these were sent to me by IPSY, and definitely don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to get some more up-to-date content. I post there pretty frequently, and I'm most likely gonna post on TikTok or Instagram or both of skincare and makeup look with these Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus. But that is it for this video. If you guys want to check out my last video, I'll have it right over here. This video will be suggested to you by YouTube, and my face will be here. Click on it and subscribe to my channel.